Hello everyone, my name is Premada Singh. I'm from class 10th and I live in Lucknow, Uttar Pradesh. I really have an inclination towards English because I'm passionate towards writing. I've written a book recently. I was co-author in Scholastic. It was called The Golden Lights. When you have to study, you don't just have to open the book and just read the text. You actually have to understand what is actually happening. And in order to do that, you must make learning fun. And that's basically what Byju's does. So Byju's has definitely helped me a great deal because this MCQ format was something that was never before encountered. So Byju's already has a lot of MCQ questions. So I did the most of the questions that I could, and that really helped me with the new format of the ICSE board papers. So I have this technique called 7 R's. This basically read, remember, recall, reiterate, and then revise. So I studied for 6 hours, 2 in the morning, 2 in the afternoon, and 2 in the evening. But I involved maths every day, especially in the morning. So I will recommend any subject that you do not like, keep that for the morning and definitely practice maths every day. My parents, they inspire me a lot because they have inculcated these qualities in me from a very early time. I want to crack UPSC examination in my future and become a civil servant. When you have to take a break, you have to do something that by which you will gain energy and not drain energy. Because there are a lot of habits by which we can drain energy, and when we sit down to study, it will just keep playing in our mind and we will just have a negative impact on our own studies. So I have a lot of hobbies which I like to pursue. I like to make paintings and drawings and also playing the piano. Me and my mother did yoga every day that time. So all these things really help to release stress. And when you actually then sit down to study, it becomes actually very fun.